Hello Dream Team, welcome back to Dreamstar Chaos. I'm your girlfriend Reena and today we'll be talking about everything Dermdog. So if you want to know my review about it, then please keep on watching. Let's go! To start off with, Dermdog is an Indian skincare company and it comes at a really affordable price. However, if you are someone who has the mindset that cheap skincare does not work, you might want to take a step back because I definitely have some hits and some misses. I think that's pretty common with any brand. On that note, I have to tell you guys that Dermdog is exclusively available only on Purplle at the moment. With that being said, from whatever products I've seen so far, they have quite a variety of products to choose from and they're mostly catered toward active ingredients and chemical exfoliation. However, the only bummer about it is that they haven't mentioned the percentage of any of those, and I feel it's really essential, especially with active ingredients, to know how much the percentage is. However, knowing the fact that actives are really expensive, the very fact that the products are so inexpensive, it brings to mind that maybe the actives that they have mentioned in the product are not that high in percentage, which is really a good thing. Because personally, I'm 22 and I'm getting myself into chemical exfoliation world, if I may. And although I'm really intrigued to try out the Ordinary, Dot & Key, and or just any brands who have actives at a higher percentage, knowing that that will give me better result, I know if I put my skin through it directly, it is not going to do any good. If anything, it's going to damage my skin. So guys, it's very important. I know chemical exfoliation is the rage right now, but you really want to calm down and you want to take baby steps. You want your skin to get used to it. Alright, number one on the list we have, ta-da! Now if you know anything about me right now, I'm obsessed with body care and body lotions and things like that, so obviously I had to pick one from Dermdog as well, and this is their Body Radiance lotion with vitamin C. Now vitamin C is what really attracted me and I was like, ooh, give it to mama. Now let's talk about ingredient list, because everybody here is for the tea, for the ingredient list. Now what I really like about this is they have mentioned the complete ingredient list right on the packaging, but however I do know that they don't do this for all of their products. It's only some of the products they mention all the ingredient list. I will mention the first 5 ingredients of all the products in the description, so in case if you like really want to get into it, you can definitely check it out for yourself. From what I can see, this has got some really interesting, not very clean, but a quite array of interesting ingredients which can be safe for your skin, which I'm all here for. Now my intention behind getting this particular product is vitamin C to me is something that gets rid of your tan. Now if anything, like sitting at home for 7 months, definitely my tan is, I mean tan what? But again, I definitely had some extreme sun damage from the 21 years of my life existence of not using sunscreen, even after going to 10 different dermats for my freckles issues and just skincare issues and everybody telling me to use a sunscreen, just me being me not using one. I definitely had some pigmented dark patches over my arm and I just didn't know what to do. Like, yeah, I can use sunscreen to prevent it. What do I do with the existing one? And the thing is, your face products can be used on the skin, but the body skin is quite thick, so I knew if I'm using my face products on my body, it will work, but it will take a lot of time. I wanted actives specifically for the body. This one, I have to say, to my surprise, I'm really happy with this. It really definitely worked for me. Now the claims of this products are such that it's going to give you instant natural glow. It's extremely hydrating, it's lightweight, and it treats uneven skin tone and pigmentation and it does what it says, guys. It definitely does what it says. Now although I'm a dry skin type, you cannot come to me with the moisturizer that's extremely greasy. Like, nobody deserves that kind of hate. However, with this one, it's absolutely not greasy. It's like one of those moisturizers and body lotions that I feel everybody needs in their house. It did not sweat off my skin. Like, that's a major issue when it comes to body lotions. I would apply it, it would get absorbed, but the moment I would go outside in the sun, I would start sweating off the lotion. Like, my sweat would be like milky color. Like, I don't know if this is TMI or if you can relate, but beyond it all, it truly is working on those dry patches. It's truly working on my pigmentation, my tan, and I am here for it. I'm here for it. It's got vitamin C, so you want to apply sunscreen. You don't want to directly just apply this and go out in the sun, because that will do you more damage than good. Also, just make sure that whenever you are using this, you are giving it time. Like, it's not one of your ittu bittu jim patuta that you just apply it and voila, it's done. It's not one of those products. You have to give it a solid time. I will say I started seeing results about like 10 days mark, I was like, interesting. I do feel like my marks are fading away. I do feel my tan is fading away, because that's one thing I really struggle with is now uneven skin tone. Like I, if cut into pieces, would not be assembled as one human. Then that's scary. If you're definitely looking out for a product to even out your skin, or just a good body lotion, irrespective of your skin type being dry, oily, sensitive, this is a really good one. I don't see any ingredients that would irritate your skin. Next up on the list is something I actually did a dedicated video about, which is my DermDog chemical facial experience at home, and a lot of you guys have watched it, so please give it a watch. I will leave it in the description and up on the screen. Now, in terms of how did my skin look after 2 to 3 days, well, my skin looked even better. Like I have never seen my skin glow so much. The next day my skin was hydrated, it was glowy. I did not have to apply anything. I was just having one of those really good skin days, and if you're looking for a good pick me up for facial, definitely give it a try. Alright you guys, next up on the list we have is ta-da! Now this is the DermDog Baby Niacinamide 10 ml of serum. Now pigmentation and tan are two different things altogether. Pigmentation because your skin cell is damaged, whereas tan is something that is a sun damage and it needs to recover and give in its own time. So please do not confuse these two things. Coming to niacinamide, I actually really wanted to try the DermaDog 10% niacinamide, but I knew that was a lot for me and I had to start with baby steps. I went ahead with this, and you get quite a small bottle for whatever amount you pay for. Usually with tinier serums like this, if the consistency is watery, you don't need a lot of product. You just take a couple of drops and then you can just massage it and just call it a day. And even a tiny bottle like this will last you for months, and that has happened with me. Whereas with this, it wasn't the same. I mean, first of all, the consistency of this is quite gooey, it's quite thick, it's like all over the mess. I just don't like the consistency of this, and every time I had to use it, I just had a frown on my face, like again, because the formula in here is so thick. The pump is pretty much useless. I've reached a point where I just tap it on my hand and put it on my face. It's just like one of those. Again, I'm guessing there is not a higher concentration of niacinamide, so hoping for it to work any miracle wasn't fair on my end. But like still, like thoda, like just कुछ तो करो यार, मतलब थोड़ा कुछ तो. But yeah, I mean, I was like, whatever. Not a product I would suggest you specifically to solve a skin issue, but definitely a product you could try if you want to get into chemical exfoliations, because this has such mild formula, just to make your skin used to it. And with that, you guys, we'll be talking about the very last product in this video, and that is ta-da! This, you guys, is the DermDog Skin Brightening face cream with vitamin C in here. And I mean, where do I begin with? Oh my god, this is overwhelming. I want to talk so much about it, but the thing is, it doesn't need much talking because it's one of my absolute favorites, you guys. Like, out of all of these products, if there's one thing you need for the face, you have to get this baby right here, because I loved it. I absolutely loved it. I can tell you for a matter of fact that the ingredient list in here looks really good. Good enough that I've been using this every single day on my face, you guys. Now, to be honest, in this lockdown, I don't really have a morning routine as such, because it's like I wake up, I attend lectures, I try to, and then I just start filming. So I really don't waste my morning skincare because I know I'll be applying makeup. But the only thing I reach out to early in the morning is a toner and this baby right here. I absolutely love using this. The consistency, at first I was like really afraid, is it going to be too much for me? Okay, so you get those really tiny bumps all over your face and you just don't know why it happens. Usually it happens to me immediately after giving a nice shave to my face. By the way, if you want to know how I shave my face, I did a recent updated version of it, so I'll leave it in the description for you to watch. But otherwise, also, in spite of doing so much of skincare, I still had those bumps remaining and I didn't know what to do. So obviously, like any other human being, I went to Google Baba and I did some research on it, and I had this, which basically means I had clogged pores, and I was like, really, after doing everything, this is what I have? So I was really trying to figure out what is it that was clogging my pores. Came to light that it was actually my moisturizer that was clogging my pores, and because I'm a dry skin type, I can't live without a moisturizer. And I just didn't know what to do, and this baby came in really handy for me. I use this every single day in the morning as a moisturizer, and I absolutely love it. I mean, there is nothing to not love about this. I know it seems like I've not touched it at all, but the thing is, it comes in with a lot of product and it's quite creamy. If you use a lot of it, which I did initially, it gave me a very oily tint, and I was like, but then the trick to using this product is you need very little amount. Like really, you just need a tiny bit of it and just put it across and just massage it all over, and that's it. Like, it gets absorbed into the skin very easily. However, it's just one of those moisturizers that you just have to let it sink in. And on that very note, you guys, all of these products are paraben free, sulfate free, and cruelty free, which is truly an icing on the cake. Let's start a conversation about skincare in the comment section below. And with that, we've come to the end of this very video. I really hope you enjoyed. If you did, you know what to do. Give this video a big thumbs up, share it with all your skincare junkies. And with that, you can also subscribe to my channel because I upload videos twice a week. So definitely hit on the bell notification so that you get updated every time I'm coming online. You can also follow me on my social media. I'm quite active there, so definitely try finding me on Instagram. I will leave the links in the description. And guys, I will see you very soon. Till then, take care. Goodbye.